Hey, what's going on, Rockstar Dean here? And I just wanted to record this quick video, just giving you a walkthrough on how you're able to set up your digital store, right? Now, in your System IO account, whether you're on the free plan or the paid plan, you're going to come over here and hover over the websites tab, and you're going to come down to the option that says digital stores, right? And when you come over to digital stores, as you could see here, I have my digital store that I have opened already, right? But you want to go ahead. Let me just give you a quick sneak peek at my digital store. All right, so you could take a look at it. All right, and this is just the shell of it, right? But we're gonna go ahead and do it from scratch in a minute. So let me just go back right here. All right. So you're gonna go ahead and hit that tab that says create, right? For the name, you're just gonna put your name. So let's just say your name, right? And then for domain names, it's going to automatically default to your default System IO domain, but you could always get a domain name and then link that to it, right? And the URL path, it'll be wherever you want it to go, whether it's your main domain.com forward slash, and let's just say digital downloads, for example, right? But for the sake of this video, we'll leave as is. All right, language, of course, you select the language and then just hit save, right? Now it's gonna come and give you the skirt of your storefront or the shell. All right. Now, the purpose of this is to kind of do two things. One is to bring more of your products in house, especially if you are someone who have like a stand store, a beacon, a pen site, or one of those external stores that pretty much sell your digital downloads, right? What you could do right here is the first thing you could do is you could edit the header. All right, and you of course you put your name, you put a bio, and it could be a simple bio, for example, who you help and all that stuff. So let's just say I help superstars, because you're a superstar, like you who are watching this, be great and live life limitlessly. All right, that's a bio. Username, now you only need to put your username on the that's on the social media platform, because see, this will already take you to Instagram or TikTok, right? So let's just go to show more, and it'll give you the different options that's right here, right? So let's just say, for the sake of this, let me just put my username, right? And then let me just upload a quick picture, or you could upload a picture that's here. All right. Let me just upload a quick picture. Let me just throw that there for photo. All right. Nah, let me use something else. Let me just find a different picture. Let's download images, images, images. All right. And I'm just looking for a picture that I could use over there. All right. Give me a quick second. Let me just use that for the sake of it, right? All right. So let me just use that guy right there. Click to upload, right? And then it's going to upload it. As you could see, we're already seeing the shell, right? Boom. So we could go ahead and click save, because I like to save as I go along. So save, right? The next thing that you could do is you could go over here and click settings, right? And with settings, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and activate your payment processors, right? Now you have to select your currency, change it from euro, and you want to select United States dollars. All right. Or if it doesn't allow you to type it in, just go ahead and just go ahead and check the drop down box, right? See, I select Albanian. Now let me go in and look for the United States dollar. Okay, so I just passed it. U dot S. So it's U dot S. Okay, so US dollar. All right, boom. So credit card, which would be Stripe and PayPal. Now this will be dependent on what you have integrated with your System IO account, but I normally select one or select both. But for the sake of this, we are going to just select credit card. All right. Boom. Yeah. So we got that, right? So see up here, you could go to edit your design, right? And when you go over to edit your design, you are going to see different options that's in here for you to choose from, whether it's this one right here that's plain Jane, this option right here which have a little bit more spice, this one right here, but there's different options for you to choose from. You understand? For you to be able to take a look at how you want the outskirts of it to look. So we could go right here, right? And see, that's given a little bit of juice. Here we have another option. Of course, we have another option, and you could play around depending on what your feel is for it. But definitely go to something that pops, right? And then you select that, and this is definitely gonna be how your storefront looks to the naked eye. All right. So that's definitely what you want to do. And if you choose that design, then of course you could go ahead and save. All right. If it is that you want to choose that design. Now let me see that one. See, that's kind of similar. And also this is kind of similar. All right. And you have the options whether you want to choose your own hex code and all that good stuff. All right. So keep it super simple, like I always say, KISS, right? Now, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to add a section, right? So let's just say you want to add freebies or free downloadables, right? You could go ahead and select add a section, right? The beauty with this is you could name it. So let's just say you name it freebies, right? You could go to add a section right there, right? And underneath the section, this helps your stuff to be organized, and look really neat. You could then go and add a product, right? And you see right here where it says collect emails. This is what helps you to build your email list. So you could just put that option right there, right? And then give persons now the opportunity. You see right here, it's giving them the opportunity to subscribe to your newsletter and all that good stuff, right? And then you got the thumbnail. If it is that you want to add a thumbnail, which I absolutely recommend, you could go over into Canva and create a quick thumbnail that you could drag and drop here, right? And then of course it gives you your thank you page. All right. Now we could go back and then let's just say we want to add a product, right? So let's just say we want to sell a digital download, whether it's a guide, whether it's a PDF, a calendar, whatever it is. We could go to sell a digital download, right? Now you have the thumbnail where you could upload the thumbnail right here. You give it a name, you have the buy button, right? And then you put a sub title that's there, all right? And I'll show you guys mine again in a little bit. All right. There's the checkout page, right? And then also what I like to do is I like to upload the thumbnail image there again so that it has a nice image up here. And this is going to be all of the information that is going to be, on your storefront, right? And on this section here is where you would put all of the information, and you make it juicy, right? You will also see over here that persons have to put in their email and their name. So what this also does simultaneously, it builds your email list, right? Because you're collecting your client's data. And see, when they go ahead and select credit card or Stripe, it then opens the box for them to populate their card information to go ahead and purchase the product, right? Now we're gonna go over to price plans right here because this is where you actually add the price. So if it is that you do not have a price plan set up, you're going to go here to add one, right? And make sure that it is a one-time payment. You're going to go ahead and create new, right? You put the price plan name, whatever the name of your product is. I normally say, do that. And then the name, again, the same name, statement, descriptor, it'll be whatever you want to be displayed on someone's statement when they make the purchase. You could put it right there. All right. So just use something that when someone sees it, they'll know that it's you. All right. You could let it be a one-time payment if it is a one-time payment, right? And of course, you go ahead and you put the payment amount and then you hit save, right? Boom. Easy peasy, easy peasy, easy peasy, easy peasy. All right, boom. So next tab, you're going to go to the digital download, right? And for the digital download, whatever your digital download name, you go ahead and you insert the name right here. You could click to upload it right here, right? And then what's going to happen is you get the opportunity now to automatically have a confirmation email sent to them. Now they give you a template that you could work with, and you could edit this, to your liking, and just personalize it to let it be you. All right. And then of course it gives you a thank you page for you to give them an automatic thank you message after they make that purchase, right? Now, let me go back over here to stores so you're able to see my storefront to take a look at it, right? Like I normally say. See? There you go. There you go. There you go, right? So this is how my storefront looks, right? So you got my name, it got my subheading, right? It got my section, and then it also have one of my digital products that I started to transition over from another storefront to now my System A storefront. All right, but I hope this little tutorial helps, and just let me know if you got some value. All right.